Daily routine English phrases.
I wake up at 5 o'clock in the morning. I wake up at 5 o'clock in the morning.
I turn off my alarm. I turn off my alarm.
I go for a walk in the morning. I go for a walk in the morning.
I take a shower. I have a shower.
I have my breakfast around 8 o'clock. I have my breakfast around 8 o'clock.
I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth.
I iron my clothes. I iron my clothes.
I get dressed. I get ready.
I comb my hair. I comb my hair.
I make the bed. I make the bed.
I drink a cup of coffee. I drink a cup of coffee.
I leave the house for my job. I leave the house for my job.
I take the dog for a walk. I take the dog for a walk. I take the bus to work. I take the bus to work. I read the newspaper. I read the newspaper.
I check my emails. I check my emails.
I answer my emails. I answer my emails.
I have a snack at around 11 o'clock. I have a snack at around 11 o'clock.
I go to the washroom. I go to the washroom. I go to the gym. I go to the gym.
I charge my phone. I charge my phone.
I have lunch at 1:30 p.m. I have lunch at 1:30 p.m.
I watch television. I watch television. I play computer games. I play computer games.
I go to the office. I go to the office. I get fresh. I get fresh. I buy groceries. I buy groceries.
I feed my birds. I feed my birds.
I go to the bank. I go to the bank. I talk to my friends. I talk to my friends. I go for a drive. I go for a drive. I go for shopping. I go for shopping. I spend time with my family. I spend time with my family.
I study in the evening. I study in the evening.
I do the dishes. I do the dishes. I meet up with relatives. I meet up with relatives. I check the weather. I check the weather.
I play the piano. I play the piano.
I meet my friends. I meet my friends. I take my medication. I take my medication. I have my dinner. I have my dinner. I read a book before bed. I read a book before bed.
I listen to music. I listen to music.
I plan the day ahead. I plan the day ahead. I lock the doors. I lock the doors. I think about my future. I think about my future. I take a break. I take a break. I tidy up my rooms. I tidy up my rooms. I sweep the floor. I sweep the floor. I clean the house. I clean the house. I take my clothes from the laundry. I take my clothes from the laundry. I turn on my alarm clock. I turn on my alarm clock. I go to bed at 10 o'clock. I go to bed at 10 o'clock.
Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.